Hello.
No.
Hi.
Mm,
Good evening.
Wish you a happy Ganesh Chaturthi, ma'am.
Same to you.
Ma'am.
What did you do? Was it any special? Did you do anything?
No, no, just I'm currently studying.
You're currently studying? Okay. And where are you from?
I'm from Jabalpur.
And where are you studying? Are you studying in Jabalpur or are you living somewhere else?
Yes, ma'am. I'm currently pursuing my degree,
Oh, wow. A degree in what?
BTech, in the Industrial and Production Engineering.
Oh, engineering.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Okay. Great. But today would have been a holiday, no?
What, ma'am?
Today would have been a holiday, right?
Right, ma'am.
So good.
But I'm
Saturday,
living in
Sunday.
a PG. That's why I'm not attending because hostels
Oh,
in
so you're
in hostels the event is organized.
so did you celebrate in the hostel or will you celebrate
Yes,
in the
ma'am.
hostel? Did you get a
Right,
Ganpati
ma'am.
in the hostel? Oh wow. And when will you have the Visarjan?
Right, ma'am.
After 10 days?
After the 10 days, the Ganesha is
Good. I live in Vadodara. We have
okay.
this college called MSU, Maharaja Sayajirao University. And the
Okay.
boys hostel. So there's a Ganpati in the boys hostel and there's a Ganpati in the girls hostel. So the boys go get it and they do
Same here
everything.
in our college also.
Yeah, the boys, they dance like crazy people. They'll put a DJ and they'll dance as if there is no tomorrow, and it is so beautiful but scary.
Right, ma'am.
Yes. So what is your favorite festival?
Of course, definitely, ma'am. Diwali is my favorite festival
Okay.
because
So
long holiday.
you get to be home in Diwali for a longer duration. Is
Right,
that why it's
ma'am.
your favorite
Right,
festival?
right, ma'am. Because I'm living
Oh.
far from home, very far from
Ah,
my hometown.
so you're not
That's
living
why.
in Jabalpur?
No, currently I'm studying in the Jabalpur and I'm from Rajgarh district. So that's why.
Okay. Where is the district located?
Where is the district? Is Rajgarh district, ma'am. My hometown
Rajgarh.
is in, yeah, right, ma'am.
Okay. Rajgarh is in Madhya Pradesh.
Right, ma'am. Jabalpur
Okay.
also Madhya Pradesh.
Jabalpur also is in Madhya Pradesh. Yeah, I'm just looking how far it is. Rajgarh is from Jabalpur. How far is it?
I think 60, 600 kilometers,
Six.
I
Oh,
think.
almost. Yes, 544 kilometers by train.
Right, ma'am.
So it takes what, 10 hours to reach home?
It's 12 hour, ma'am, almost.
Almost 12 hours. Yeah. Oh my god.
Right, ma'am.
Madhya Pradesh
That's
is a
why,
big state.
right, ma'am.
Hmm. Okay. So when was
It's
the
8 crore population in Madhya Pradesh.
yeah, I the population I think doesn't matter because I am from Gujarat. I think Gujarat has a crazy population. I don't know how much it is. Gujarat population in 2024 is 6
Okay.
crores and Madhya
Okay.
Pradesh is 10 crores.
Right.
Wow. Yes. Lovely.
You are
But good,
currently
I'm glad that
studying?
your hostel celebrates. No, no. I finished my graduation in 2017. I am currently
Okay.
teaching.
Okay.
Yes. So, what would you like to talk about?
Okay.
Do you have?
I'm just thinking about uh, in India. So much unemployed generation over the last.
Unemployed population, not generation.
Okay,
Hmm.
population unemployed population over a year, so much created. So I think this topic.
Population unemployment.
Right, ma'am.
Yeah, I think, and I think the advent of technology is creating an even more unpopulated, unemployed population, because now AI is taking over a lot of jobs.
Right, ma'am.
Yes. So
In the
you
last
studied.
5 years, the AI is very fast. So ChatGPT has come, and I think in 2021, and in the 2 to 3 years, the ChatGPT has very
Hmm.
spread over the, like any industry, like IT industry, and any industry. We can
Right.
say that.
Correct. It has percolated, I think, everywhere. But I was
Right, ma'am.
having a similar discussion with somebody else today morning, and what I actually thought is, since the beginning of time, as soon as
Okay.
technology came, it has always
Okay.
been attacking jobs.
Right, ma'am.
So there were factories, there were machines. Machines started doing what humans used to do earlier.
Right, ma'am.
So humans were replaced by machines. Then humans were replaced by computers. Like, we
Okay.
needed people for doing everything, but then eventually there was something that came and it replaced humans. Now there is
Okay.
chat gpt that has come, not chat gpt but artificial intelligence and machine learning
So
both.
so
Now they
much
are attacking
chatbot as
human
of
jobs.
deployed.
Yeah. So yes, it was it has always been happening. And but do you think there is a solution for this?
But ma'am, like I said, our 40 million, I think 40 million rely on the software engineering. So so many things have changed because of the ChatGPT has released. So I
Hmm.
think so much problem solved by the ChatGPT. So and
Correct.
I will also think that so much uh, so much so much things have changed, like so much companies has fired or employ.
So many companies.
So many companies have fired the employees because their work done by the, like, chatbot or AI teacher like this.
Hmm. Hmm. But how does it help with the unemployment? Do you think there is any solution for unemployment?
Of course, ma'am. Firstly, work on your skill set. Like, you have to like you have to adjust yourself, like in this era.
Hmm.
So you adjust your, like, use your chat gpt and boost your productivity. That can help you achieving your goal or something, I
Okay.
think.
Hmm. Um, I think to a certain extent, because technology is always more effective.
Okay.
There is there are some arenas that humans will never be able to win back. Like,
Okay.
we'll never go back to clothes that are stitched by tailors. We'll
Okay.
always, like, the majority of the population will always rely on clothes, on factory produced clothes,
Right, ma'am.
right? Or I think in any field, if you take agriculture, I don't think anybody will go back to, tilling the soil and plowing the land without a tractor.
Right.
Like, they'll
Right,
just
ma'am. Right.
take a tractor and get it done with. One, because
that
more
the
effective.
technology the technology have become so much lazy us.
We have become more lazy because of technology, you mean?
Technology, right, ma'am.
Right, yes. And no matter how much skill set you develop, there will always be a
Okay,
better technology to take over,
right, ma'am.
is what I think.
Right, ma'am. But you have to adjust yourself with the, like, in the era, what things going on, what should you learn, what should you not.
Okay. For example,
Like, I'm currently like pursuing my degree.
hmm,
So I looking for the job in a IT company. So
okay,
first thing in in my mind, so whenever I coded, so much a problem I face. So whenever I have a problem, that I attempt to solve the problem, but
hmm,
sometimes I fail to solve the problem. But some int when some int will help me. That's why I go to the chat GPT. So I ask the questions. So chat GPT will help.
yeah, ChatGPT is helpful. It's not like it's not helpful. But so when you think on a micro level, like
But you
individuals,
have to, but you have to on the basic. Before the basic, you go to advanced because of the so much basic usage as completed by the chat GPT. That's why you have to boost your skill set on the
right?
basic level to advanced level.
Hmm. Also, that ChatGPT is always trained by humans.
Right,
So
ma'am.
there's a team of people working to train the AI, to train the machines.
Right, ma'am. Right, ma'am.
Yeah. So there will always be human superiority, but at the same time, it will keep affecting the lower cadre of jobs. Like, for
Right, ma'am.
example, AI is there are so many English learning applications that are now uh,
Replaced by human, I would say.
not replaced, but there is a what is it called? There is a blended learning method. So where you will
Okay.
also be taught by AI and you will be taught by humans.
Okay.
So
I'm
a lot of
I'm also
English.
using I'm also using like ChatGPT also as a future of AI voice chat. So whenever I have time to speak, so then I go to the ChatGPT to talk to each other, ma'am. So much helpful for me.
Right. So it's there's no denying that it is helpful, but I think it contributes to unemployment.
Right, ma'am.
Yes.
And
Hmm.
some point of thing that our population is very and right education in the right direction also. When we spoke about the our government uh, do work our education policy, like I
Hmm.
think in 2020 new education policy has
Right. So
released
new
by the
education
government.
policy, it made very few changes. New education policy more highlighted a lot of things that were existing in the education policy. Moreover, it there were probably 1 or 2% changes in the policy. So it's not like we didn't have those topics or we did not have that approach towards teaching. We always did. But people were so oblivious of them that the new education policy now looks very, you know, very new. Where in the case it wasn't that. It was always the old education policy, which new education policy highlighted that, oh, you can do this, you can do that. So have you been through? Hello, am I audible? Hello, Hi, where are you? You came to the rooftop? You're on mute.
Right, ma'am.
Hi, sorry,
I'm
you were
audible?
saying something. Yes, you're audible. I can hear you.
We are talking about the new education policy, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah. So, have you been through the new education policy?
Not fully, ma'am. I think not fully, ma'am.
Okay, which is fine. I mean, you don't have to go through the whole thing, but yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
Um, hmm. So interesting. Why did you pick this field of engineering?
Because like every child has a dream to like a scientist or research. So when I came to college, so much dream I have before to come to college. But as I entered to college, so much things have changed. Uh, so many students have gone on to the job. So I was thinking the race is going on around my college. So I'm also going on the race like. So that's why. And I would also saying that if you want to get the job in the like any field, so that's why I would prefer to like engineering.
Right. Hmm. And do you plan to pursue a master's?
No, not really, ma'am. Uh,
Okay.
I'm just thinking how to get a job, and after that, I have to plan to like I want to pursue an MBA, master in business.
Okay. Interesting. MBA is one of the most prominent courses that are taken up by engineers for some reason. I don't know. Do
Right,
you
ma'am. In every
would
field, ma'am, in UPSC or like any government exam, engineering is all over.
hmm. uh yes. Do you plan to appear for UPSC?
No, ma'am,
Okay.
not interested, ma'am.
So it's just an MBA and then you plan to take up a job?
Right, ma'am.
Or are you planning to go with the flow?
No, I think I'll go with the MBA.
You'll go
But
with an MBA? Okay.
firstly, I want to get a job.
Yeah, I mean,
Up,
work experience is always um,
right, ma'am.
appreciated in the field. And
Right, ma'am.
now there are so many courses. People mostly want a degree from a prestigious university.
Right,
But
ma'am.
um, now there are so many startups, and there are like one of my friends, he didn't do an MBA. He did engineering, then he was working for L&T, Larsen and Toubro.
Okay, right, ma'am.
And then on LinkedIn, he found a group of people who was starting a small company, a startup.
Okay,
Um, and it seemed a very profitable idea. So this
okay,
guy, my friend, he appeared for the job. Because of the work experience, he got hired. But they
okay,
wanted people who had done an MBA. So
okay.
instead of sending people to do an MBA, those
Right, ma'am.
people had already done an MBA.
Right,
So
ma'am.
they had all the course, they had all the guidelines,
Okay,
and yeah, so they taught him. They made a course and they did an online MBA sort of a course, and they trained
okay,
all their employees that they had hired. So now
okay,
my friend has the skill set of an MBA without
okay.
paying a single rupee, and can get hired on the basis of that knowledge. So,
Right? Absolutely, ma'am.
yeah.
Correct.
Hmm.
Because if you want to start a startup, you have a gut to like take a risk or something else, man.
Yeah. Hmm.
Because our education, like in America, when you like complete your graduation, like any master's degree, you have to able to take a risk. But India, after the master degree or so much uh, fear to start a startup
Right.
because the environment tell us like our neighbor and also so much like so much fear. That's why our society is also contribute this,
Hmm.
right,
But
ma'am?
I think now, because all these courses are just getting more expensive by the day, so
Uh,
people are looking at other ways of getting the same skill set without doing the course. But then
right.
uh, I think most of the companies, when they are hiring, they would want a certificate.
Okay.
So yes,
But in this time, I am a student also. I'm unemployed.
students cannot be considered as an unemployed population because you guys are still learning. You guys
But
are still.
looking for, I think, as I read to article, they are
Hmm.
include those who are looking for seeking for the job. I think
Right.
this also include for the like unemployed, right?
Hmm. But I think unemployment should be just categorized with people who have a graduation degree and are not employed.
Okay.
Yeah. So people who are studying cannot be identified as unemployed. Like you are not unemployed.
But after the graduation, I'm seeking to getting a job that I would
Yeah,
say
but
I'm employed.
yeah, I there needs India also. I think there's a major problem of less opportunities, which I think is
Right,
a
ma'am.
challenge also because of the overpopulation. And
Right,
we
ma'am.
have very few people who are entrepreneurs, like people who start businesses. We usually have people who join the workforce. So we
Right,
have
ma'am.
less. I mean, there are so many companies, but there are people who are employed and then they'll be employed till they retire.
Right, ma'am.
And the youth usually is jobless.
Right, ma'am.
So then Modi ji says, make in India, but it's not helpful.
So much scheme has released, but every scheme is not beneficial for us.
Of course, some schemes are beneficial for them also.
Right, ma'am. But you
Yes.
have to firstly aware of these schemes and how to get this
Yeah,
benefit
but
from.
now I think there are so many PR, like there's so much PR that they do in order to make these schemes reach the public.
Right,
Probably the wrong audience, definitely the wrong audience, but yeah, they still invest their money in public relations and promotions and
right,
marketing and advertisement. It looks like they are also running a business.
right, ma'am.
All right.
Maybe,
So, is your real registered name Bablu or is that your nickname?
ma'am, this is my registered name.
Oh, okay. All right. Um,
If
Great.
there is
Yeah,
no,
yeah, tell
not
me.
not at all, ma'am.
What happened?
Nothing, ma'am. Nothing else.
Okay. Yeah. So we'll have to wind up the session. That's our time. But before we finish, do you have any doubts, any questions that I can answer for you?
Ma'am, how can I improve my speaking? I would say.
I think you're doing whatever is necessary. You're pretty confident and candid. You're able to express your thoughts very clearly. So that's nice.
Okay.
Uh, just keep practicing, keep talking to people, read books, more the input, more the output.
Right, ma'am.
So keep listening to things, keep watching English movies, just keep doing it. Be more observational. So if you come across a new word while you're watching a movie, try to pause, add it to your vocabulary, try using those words. So enhance your vocabulary and keep practicing.
Right, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Anything else?
No, ma'am. Thank you for having me.
Lovely. Thank you. It was a great conversation. I hope I see you again. And
Yes,
once again, happy Ganesh Chaturthi.
ma'am. My next session is also with you, ma'am.
Next session is when? Tomorrow?
No, ma'am. It's 9. It's 9.
On the 9th. Done.
Yes.
Okay. See you on the 9th then.
Okay, ma'am. Have a
Bye.
good day, ma'am.
Yes.